Yan kakapsat mga bunsoy. Ito actually ginamit to ng mga nung panahon ng nung Korean War. Ito mga baril na to, kanyo na to, tangke na to, ginamit to nung nung Korean War. Ito. Ganda oh. Diba? Hindi, ginamit pala to ng World War II actually. Kamali ako, World War II pala. Yan. Ito. May isa pa doon. Ayan oh. Yung mga tangke. Andito tayo sa loob ng PMA compound. Philippine Military Academy compound. Ito, 105 mm howitzer L3A1 Melara, a member of the 105th mm howitzer family. This artillery piece was of Italian design but was adopted by the Americans in 1939, which was used to ward off Japanese intruder in 1941. Yung ginamit pala talaga ito ng World War II, 1941. Ito namang isa sa taas. Yun. Ito, unahin muna natin ito isa. You know, actually lahat to ginamit talaga ng World War II. Yan. .105 mm howitzer M2 USA, an improved version of the M1 howitzer of lower caliber but with higher degree of accuracy. This was later replaced on by M2A1, which improved its stabilizers. You know. .105 mm howitzer M3 USA, a variant of the M2 howitzer. It was shorter barrel, built for shorter ranges, 9,500 meters max. This artillery equipment was used by the Americans to re-enter the Philippines via Lingayen Gulf. Ginamit pala sa Lingayen Gulf to. Lingayen Gulf ginamit tong na to, howitzer na to. Meron pa yung mga tangke naman sa taas. Ito matitindi mga tangke. May mini tank. Ito mini tank ko. Basahin natin ano niya. Wala nakalagay kakabsat mga bunsoy. Sorry na lang. Wala nakalagay na marker niya. Basta mini tank. Binabasa ko nga isa-isa eh. Ayan wala. Baka dito sa harap. Wala nakalagay. Wala nakalagay na marker kakabsat mga bunsoy. Ito. Ito meron. Wait. Self-propelled howitzer USA. This vehicle saw extensive service with Allied forces from the Battle of El Alamein onwards. It was given the name Priest. The 105th mm howitzer had a range of 11,116 meters. Ginamit pala ito sa El Alamein sa France noong World War II. Laban naman sa mga Germans. Ito malaki. Ito jumbo tank. Dito muna, mamaya na yung maliliit. Ito may maliit ng nga. Dito muna tayo sa maliit. Yan. 7 75 mm mountain gun, Japanese. This pre-war 1934 Japanese mountain gun type 94 was most suitable for fighting in mountainous country, light and for rugged routes. Gamit naman ng mga Hapon to. Ito ginamit ng mga Hapon. Japanese ano to? Japanese weapon. Dito sa tangke, hindi, landing vehicle pala siya. Oh, hindi siya tangke. Ito. Landing vehicle tank for USA LVT. An amphibious vehicle used during World War II with a 7.62 mm machine gun and can be loaded by a jeep or a 105 mm howitzer. Maximum land speed 32 km per hour and maximum water speed 12 km per hour. It is being used in the Philippines by the Philippine Marines. Gamit pala siya ng Philippine Marines ngayon. Ginagamit pa rin siya ng Philippine Marines sa ngayon. Landing vehicle siya, tank. Landing vehicle tank. Yan. Landing vehicle tank. Ito. Dito naman tayo. .40mm Bofors Dutch. The 40mm Bofors was the most widely used anti-aircraft gun of the Second World War. Both Allied and Axis forces used license-built and captured guns of this type. Parehong ginamit ng Axis sa Allied powers noong World War II. Itong ano na to. Itong baril na to. Anti-aircraft to eh. Ano? Ito naman 12.mm light field howitzer. This artillery piece was introduced in 1909 and was used during World War II and World War I. The 12.1mm gun has a range of 7,500 meters maximum. May mga nagpapapicture pa po sa tangke. Nilaki po ng tangke. Oh. May 3 tangke pala rito, malaki.
Yung favorite mo ba?
PMA Museum. Hindi ko alam kung open yan.
Luma yung pera. Mga sinauna? O kaya ba tatay mga pinanlaban sa World War na eh?
Mga bago ngayon yung mga
Maya.
film ng...
Tawakan ka.
Kailangan mo ngayon.
Yung mga display itong mga tangke na to kakabsat, mga bunsoy.
Meron ba doon?
Oh, chu, 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 chu. Papa, careful. Papa, careful. Papa, careful.
Out na natin muna kakabsat, mga bunsoy. Marami pa tayong pipicturean doon, saka i-upload videos. Out muna.